Hello, my YouTube friends. Today I am going to show you how to make a thumbnail like this or like this without Photoshop. I am going to use free software, almost like Photoshop, that is Krita. You can download it from Google. Simply type Krita and install on your PC. Now open it and click New File and select Canvas resolution 1920*1080 and resolution is 150. Click on Create. Now press Ctrl- for zoom out and Ctrl+ for zoom in. Now click Layer and then Import Layer. Import your gun screenshot like this. Press Ctrl+T and resize your gun image. Now click on Contiguous Selection tool. Select similar color option and press Delete. Then click Polygonal Selection tool and select outside of this gun. Then right-click and click on Invert Selection. Press Delete. Now click Bezier Curve tool and select rest of the parts and press Delete. Now take a cool background from Google. Copy and paste on layer. Now use the Move tool. Adjust this on the canvas, and Ctrl+T resize it. Now click on the filter and then blur. And click on Blur. Increase all parameters. Now adjust the gun size and Ctrl+D to duplicate this gun layer. Apply blur on first gun layer. Now take new paint layer. And take soft edge brush from the brush tool and click on this layer like this and reduce opacity. Now take new layer on the duplicate layer and Shift plus click both layers and right click click group, then quick clipping group. Now take light color and a hard brush. Draw outside of the gun like this. And use blend and reduce opacity. Now right-click, Layer Style, Outer Glow, and adjust. Now LCIK on background click filter. Adjust. Auto color. Now adjust color according to you. Now go to Google and search green or blue particles. Like this. And click copy and simply paste on Krita top new layer. Now adjust the size. And right-click on layer. Click on Properties. Click on Screen Blend Mode. Now you can leave it as it is. Or change the color, opacity. Now adjust background if you want. Now click on Text. Type your name or song name as you wish. Increase size and make it little bold. Now click on Text Layer, and go to Layer option. Click Select Opaque. Click on Select Opaque Replace. Now add new paint layer. Go to Edit tab and click on Stock Selection. Select Width and Color. And click OK. Now right-click on Text Layer. Click on Properties. Click on Color Dodge. And reduce opacity. Adjust background color according to the text. And bring down the text under the main gun skin layer. Now you can adjust or change the background color or increase the brightness of the gun skin. Now go to File. Click on Save As. Give it a name. Select JPG format and click on Save. You can see your stunning thumbnail is ready. I hope this video will helpful to you. I will see you on next video. Bye.